going to law school, at that time I was going to be a lawyer, the pressure of handling the opportunity to get a law degree, the pressure to to pass the bar, those are real scholastic kind of pressures that really carry over into becoming an attorney someday or becoming a major league manager. So it was, how did I get through it? You learn the value of preparation. To this day, if you ask baseball people, they'll always say that our coaching staff made it a point to prepare our team. The attention to detail became critical, and here again, I put the two together. I knew that you had to attend to detail to get through school. As I went into pro coaching, and I've got a lot of coaching friends, the ones that I spent time with are successful, attention to detail comes up all the time, except I had an appreciation of it from day one as a manager. I didn't have to lose for a while to learn that. So I give credit to the law school. But last but not least, I realized that I really liked, we did some moot court cases. I really liked competing in those things, our group against the other group. And I could see how competitive it was to be in the courtroom. So the reason I read Mark's resume, what he's done as a trial attorney, the toughness of preparation, the competitiveness. So I felt, as time went on, I really felt that those law school introductions to pressure, competition, detail, and preparation became right at the foundation of our philosophy.